What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. At the Torrance outlet. Let's go see what's up. In my opinion, this place is all about the heat wall. Is it 30% off? Is it not 30% off? That's what makes the trip, in my opinion. But they usually have some dope stuff, so let's go check it out. Dang, so no heat wall at all. So much for that. All right, let's go check out the clearance section. Do get 30% off the clearance section, so that is the good news. Maybe the heat items are in the clearance section now. Let's see what's up. Do see some 36s, the Lucas. These are 36 low because of some free dirty socks. Those are the socks that people use temporarily to try stuff on here. That's funny to have that. And retail, I guess. Retail 185, I think. Air Max 97s going for retail 175. Jordan 9 boots. Jordan 9 boots, 9.5. 225 for this. That is dope to be able to get that extra 30 off all that. That's pretty fire. Dang, sizing is a mess. Size, like everything's everywhere. 140 for these, way too much. This other carry here, 140 for those. These are all 11s. Right below that, size 15 right here. They're just throwing them everywhere. It's funny. Dude, they made some Converse version of these too. Really? This is like a crater material too? Oh my god, really? They took that Jordan design and gave it to these. Oh, this one's sewn on though. This one, you can't take it out like the Jordan one. It is a cold wall collab. Those look awful. Those look awful. 105 for those awful looking things. Metcon 8s. Ooh, I've never even seen these. This one a collab? This one looks like a collab, right? Is that, I don't know. Is that Illinois? I'm gonna look all stupid. Is that Illinois? I don't know. Indiana? I don't know. Looks like one of those states. I don't know. This looks like some sort of collab or something, right? Obviously, it does say Fraser. I still don't know what the hell that means. Dumbbells right there. A barbell. I don't know. I don't know what that is. But yeah, something. It's something. $130, size 13. Definitely unique. 10.5 LeBron Palmers right there, going for 120. Right next to that, LeBron 2s, going for 210. That's 11 Blazers, going for $100. Alpha Flies, size 12.5, going for 175. Blazer Jumbo, size 8.5. This is like right next to all the 10, 12s and all that stuff. Usually this place is really tidy. I don't know what's going on today. Yeah, the Blazer Mid Jumbos go for 110. Got some Dunk Lows, size 2.5. Black and white. Okay. Alright, I'll throw them back here, I guess. In the size, or next to the size 11 to 12. This is supposed to be like size 8.5, I believe. UCLA Pegasus right here, size 10. 39's going for 140. Got some pennies. Did we see this last week? I think this is the one that I did see here last week. Does have some sort of, it's like a synthetic nylon material right there. Okay, 140 for these. Or 170, my bad, 170. Size 11.5. I'm still talking about the 2019 prices because those used to be 140 by then. Do got a few of these. Size 11 go for 175. I was just talking to another customer. They're like, what is up with the sizing today? I know even regular people recognizing that. But yeah, Nike by John go for 160. Okay. Apparently I'm on the size 8. Go for 110. Air Max 2070. Air Max 270s. Apparently size 8 go for 110. We've got these trainers. Ooh, I'm a fan of this colorway, dude. This is fire, dude. This is fire. Got some nice suede on it too. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's hella nice. That's what's up. Size 11 go for 1.25. Vikings Pegasus right here. So tiny size 8 go for 140. Lucas right here, to be able to find Lucas for 30 off. That's not bad. $110. That's 7.5 though. All right, this is the smaller size. Apparently this size. Apparently this section, they actually do have smaller sizes. Size is not all crazy. 140 over here. All right, kind of an interesting trip. Interesting And that, yeah, they've switched things around. Not the greatest stuff that we've seen so far. All right, let's check out the aisles now. Do got some Air Max 97 OGs right here. And those are $140.97. I wonder if this is 30% off on top of that, because usually 97s, usually get the clearance treatment. You usually get an extra 30% off. Just like, what the hell are these? The Legend Essentials, Air Max Dons, Air Max 2090s, another one of those. Metcon 7s. I did see one of these at Long Beach. Okay. Metcon Free 3s. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. I haven't heard this song in forever. Is this Flowrider? Air Max 2090s. Oh yeah, Welcome to My House. Haven't heard that song in a couple years. Air Max 270s. KD 15s. KD Trey 59s. Immortalities. Another one of those. Blazer Lows. Cortez B Trues. See, the 97s, I'm telling you. Usually you get 30% off. Blazers. Alley Oops. A couple of those. The eyeshot wears. Wow, that's interesting. It's his first actual silhouette. Came out almost a year ago. Maybe the 2s are about to come out. SB Chiron 2s. Waffle debuts. Racer. Waffle racer craters. Crater impacts. See what I'm saying? 97 usually means clearance, so it's like the same as a clearance one. I rest my case. I wonder if those are 30% off too. That'd be dope. Air Force One highs. Alright, I am buying some presents, some gifts for a couple kiddos. Not for Christmas, for birthday presents this upcoming weekend. So I am checking the kid section. Look at this. Look at this. Got a bunch of dunks. Size 3Y, 7Y. These green ones got them in multiple colors. 4.5. This is an 11 right here. All the dunk highs are not popular now, right? Just the highs. The lows still pretty popular, but kind of depends on the color. It looks like $80 for those. Cortezes, can't find those in men's sizes. That's a 5C going for $60. Prestos 2Y going for $50. More dunks. These are size 3. We've seen these a bunch. $140. This is high because these are 85 one. That leather on that side is just ridiculous. The leather on these, amazing. More dunks, just all kinds of dunks. Doesn't have a price listed on that one. That's a 4Y. Then more Cortez as well, $60. That's a 4. And Air Forces as well, Force One highs, $105 for those. Prestos down here going for $70. And LeBron's going for $115. That's just way too high. 6.5 right there. Haven't seen these. Seen these, the Woodside highs. I forgot who they're trying to copy. They got that one company that's known for the boots, the rubber stuff up front. Those are going for what? $60. Normally $90. Right below that, Air Force One with that I don't know, the yarn material or whatever, going for $70. All right, we're checking even the preschool section because that's kind of what I'm looking for. But yeah, I don't know what the hell these are. Flex runners, a couple of those. Prestos, other Presto. This Snoop, I've never heard this song. Got some Air Max 90s. Witnesses. Guess we're checking the grade school now. The Burrow Mids, Burrow Lows. More of Tempos. Okay. Air Max 90s. Got a trio of these. All white one right here. 270 Extremes. Now we're checking the women's section. The platforms look awful. Those are the Air Force One platforms, that is. Free Run 2s. I wonder if that one is also another 30% off. Because like I mentioned, all these are 30% off. Youth Hirachis. Grade school Hirachis as well. Back to the women's section. Do got some craters. I'm still tripping about the Snoop Dogg song. I'm just not familiar with it. But yeah, do got some Invincible Run Planets. I guess it's 38s. 39s. What are these? The React Escape Runs? I don't know. What the hell? Okay. Super Rev 3s. Super Rev Goes. Free Metcon 3s. Pegasus 38s. Kyrie's 10.5. These are they're pricing these, it looks like. They got some Team Banks. So the Infinity. So the new Kyrie's, those are Kyrie 9s, right? Kyrie 9s? Because these are the 8s. I don't know. I think they're having issues with naming. Because Infinity is for the 8, right? It's like a sideways 8 number. I don't know. Bosco and I were talking about that. I don't know. Even Nike seems to be confused. I have no clue. But yeah, the Phantom React Finance right here. Still in the women's section, that is. And these are becoming flooded at the outlets too, just like the Pegasus. Multiple colorways. I think this is the last one right here. Last one, I mean, there's like 5 more colorways. Holy crap, that's a ton. Invincible Run Flyknits right here, that's it. Checking some of the clearance apparel. I heard from some of you guys that some of the other outlets are having 40% off the clearance section in some of the other outlets. I haven't seen that anywhere. I've only gone to a couple outlets, so. But yeah, do got these bad boys. These are going for 180. These were normally $3. This is, I think, the women's. This is one of the Olympic apparel. This is, I think, the jacket that the women's, maybe the men's gymnastic team wore, if I remember. But yeah, go for 3 down to what, 180 was it? Yeah, 180 to get 40 off on top of that. At Tech Fleece, someone's like, hey, can you go over Tech Fleece? Like, I go over whatever's at the stores. Like, it's not like they have Tech Fleece that often. When they do, kind of want to jump on it. I'm not a fan of this one though, because it's kind of thin. It's pretty thin. This is 75. You do get that 40 off. Normally 150. I got my Tech Fleece at the outlets as well. These are mediums. Do you got Super Bowl, Los Angeles Super Bowl hoodie, and the price on that unknown. Oh no, never mind. $50. More Tech Fleece, more $75. More mediums. Tennessee Volunteers hoodie. Someone probably ordered it online and then was like, no, I'm good. $55. This is a triple XL though. This is a nice hoodie right here. Jordan brand, super thick. Oh yeah, it has that fleece lining on it. Because the outside, it's that other thicker material. But yeah, 105 for those. Normally 150. It is an XL. Clearance apparel's been kind of underwhelming lately. Maybe I just don't need apparel. I don't know. I haven't been really moved by much. Do you got some cargo sweats? These double XL going for 40. Nike golf pants right here going for 80. Normally 85. I guess with the 30 off, not bad. Or 40 off. Yeah, 40 off. More golf pants right here. I don't know the price. I don't see a tag for this one. Oh wait, there it is. $70 down from 135. These are small. That's wrong apparently. But yeah, I got a bunch of smalls. Do got backpacks. I still haven't bought that one kiddo backpack. 35. Ooh, I found a backpack. Okay, cool. I'm grabbing this. I wish I had an extra discount, but no. 35, still not bad. This is a pretty solid backpack, and it is what is it? Weather resistant apparently. Okay. I just realized it shows capacity right there. This is 1,400 cubic inches. That's a pretty decent size. Enough room in there for books and stuff. So I think I might have to grab this. This is the other option because the kid I want to help is looking for a black one. This is $30. Yeah, but it's smaller. The cubic inches is only 12 something. Material's crappier too. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to grab this. Too bad it's not on sale, but hey, it's 35. Normally it's 60. So all right, I'll grab it. If I could find like a RPM backpack or something, I would get it. But I've only seen those at retail, and I'm not paying $90 for a backpack. And it did take me a while to find that backpack. If the kids already bought one, oh well, I'll have 2 backpacks. All right, let's see if I see anything else. Got t-shirts, 40% off. Some LeBron t-shirts right here. These are what, 25, you get 40 off. That one's in black, this one's, so we had that white one. This one is in black. And then, oh, okay, just a bunch of different colors. More LeBron shirts. 20, 40% off, so. Okay, these are cheap, but yeah, they're just all various LeBron shirt. Oh, that's just a Nike shirt. Okay, a couple of these are just Nike, some are LeBron's. All right, I think that's about it. I think let's get this backpack and get out of here. There's also a Nike Elite backpack. This is great for basketball, but not really great for books and stuff, in my opinion. So, all right, these go for premium 80 down to $60. And then just got socks and stuff like that. All right, let's go. All right, that was freaking dope. So apparently this is an ACG backpack. Then apparently we also get another 30% off, so $25 Hell yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. And I get to help this kiddo out. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. We're done.